Everyone wants more money, but almost no one talks about why it keeps slipping through their fingers. If you've ever earned money and still felt broke, stay with me. This video is for you. And if you've asked yourself, where did my money go? You're not alone. Most people don't lose money because of emergencies. They lose it quietly, in small, daily decisions they barely notice. If that sounds familiar, drop a comment. Today, I want to talk about silent money leaks. Not the obvious ones. The tiny habits that drain your wallet without you realizing it. Pay attention. Fixing just one of these can change everything. You don't need to fix all of them. Just notice one. Save this if you want to come back later. Most money problems don't come from big mistakes. They come from repetition. Doing small wrong things again and again. Be honest. Nobody taught us this growing up. Here are a few silent money leaks that keep people broke. 1. Subscriptions you might use someday. That free trial you forgot to cancel. That app you opened once. That streaming service you barely watch. Individually, they feel harmless. Together, they drain your income every month. Open your subscriptions today and cancel just one. That alone is progress. 2. Buying convenience instead of planning. Ordering food because you didn't plan meals. Taking rides because you left late. Paying extra because you didn't prepare. Convenience isn't bad. But when it becomes a habit, it gets expensive. Ask yourself this week, can I plan this once and save money every time after? 3. Upgrading your lifestyle every time you earn more. You make more money. You feel richer. So you spend more. New phone. Better clothes. More eating out. It feels like success, until you're still broke. If your income increased but your savings didn't, this is why. Emotional spending. Bad day. You buy something. Good day. You reward yourself. Shopping becomes therapy. The money is gone, and the feeling fades fast. Next time you want to buy something, pause and ask, what am I really feeling? 4. Not knowing your numbers. You don't need complex budgets. But not knowing how much you earn or spend is dangerous. Clarity brings control. Confusion keeps you stuck. Check your balance today. Not tomorrow. Today. 6. Waiting to feel ready to manage money. People say, I'll take money seriously later. Later becomes years. You don't need confidence to start. You gain confidence by starting. If you're watching this, you're ready enough. Now let me tell you the truth. Plugging money leaks won't make you rich overnight. But it will stop you from staying broke forever. Wealth grows when money stays. Not when it disappears unnoticed. If this opened your eyes, tap like so others can see it too. 7. Saying yes to every request. Every yes costs money or time. Sometimes both. Helping friends. Covering bills. Doing favors you can't afford. Being kind is good. Being financially reckless isn't. If saying yes keeps hurting your wallet, it's okay to say no. 8. Not negotiating anything. Price tags aren't always final. But most people never ask. Rent. Salary. Internet bills. A single conversation can save or earn you more than months of budgeting. This week, negotiate one thing, even if it feels uncomfortable. 9. Ignoring small fees. Bank charges. Late fees. Service fees. They look small, but they stack up quietly. Rich people notice small leaks. That's why they stay rich. Check your last statement and circle every fee you see. That's your starting point. Before you scroll away, ask yourself this. Which money leak is costing you the most right now? Fix that one. And if you want more real, simple money talk, subscribe and stay with this channel. Thanks for watching.